Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning I was making my way back home after a trip to the gym and I passed one of the local bookies, one of the local betting shops. And as I was walking past, there were two old guys engaged in quite an animated conversation outside. I heard one of them say to the other, "I can't believe that horse won. It was 25 to 1. In other words, if you bet £1 that this horse is going to win, and it does, you'd get £25 back. And then the guy continued by saying, "And I was walking round telling everybody it should be 125 to 1 because it had no chance of winning. And then it only goes and wins, doesn't it? Pfft, shows what I know." We often add "shows what I know" at the end of a little exchange or, monologue like this to basically mean, apparently, I don't know very much about this topic. Apparently, I know much less than I thought I did. For example, one of my students was saying in class today that she used to think that giving money as a present for people's birthdays was something you should only do as a last resort. That basically it was a kind of admission that you had a complete lack of imagination. But now she's surprised to learn her kids have no problem at all accepting cash gifts. Shows what I know, she added at the end. Another example, a friend of mine has been reading White Noise by Don DeLillo. Don't know if any of you know it, but it's a really excellent book. And she was saying that she hadn't expected it to be so funny. And then she added, "Shows what I know about his work." I was also really surprised recently to find out that there's a large number of people up in the northeast of England, an area that's been absolutely devastated by the policies of our current government, who are actually still planning to vote for the Conservative Party in the next election. I find it mind-blowing that there are any people at all in this region who would vote for the Tory Party. Shows what I know. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "shows what I know."